Hey Professor, it's McKenna Piepoli and the date is April 14th of 2018, and today I'm doing a video on our digestive system and what happens in our digestive system when we eat a cheeseburger. So what happens first is the cheeseburger goes into the mouth and the teeth begin to chew it up. And then this is kind of, well, it's a form of mechanical digestion. And so the saliva in our mouth uses the chemical digestion to break down the food and break it into smaller pieces. And that way it's easier to swallow. So the path of the cheeseburger then ends up in the esophagus. And to get the food to go down further, the tube contracts. And so this tube's contracting, pushing the burger down. And then it enters the stomach. And when the cheeseburger is in the stomach, it gets broken down even more because the stomach then squeezes together and starts breaking the food apart. And we also have what we call stomach acid. And then the stomach acid helps to break it down into smaller pieces. And so once it's in proper form to be able to go down into our small intestine, that's where it gets pushed down. So then from the small intestine, the nutrients get absorbed into our bloodstream by awesome villi. And so villi are like little fingers, and these fingers line the walls. So the bile is squirted from the gallbladder into the small intestine to help break down the food. So then the cheeseburger then gets pushed into the large intestine, and this is where the water, it gets sucked out of the waste and it's held there until it can be pushed out from the body. You know what that means. So then finally the cheeseburger will exit out of the rectum, and and once it's out of the rectum, I guess that's the end of the digestive system. I know I have like a minute left, but yeah, so that's what a cheeseburger does and how it goes through our system. And I'll just call it quits there. And that's it. Thank you.